Hi, my name is Tynes, and I'm the creator of Konnected. Konnected is a centralized platform that allows child welfare servicing organizations to connect so that they can save time, money, and lives. The problem that we're addressing today is that the child welfare system is broken. It's overburdened, it's complex, and digitally disconnected. There's no centralized way for all organizations that are servicing youth and families to communicate. And this leads to a great breakdown in information, delayed services, and oftentimes where the organizations or the actors can't do their job. For instance, one of the biggest issues that Konnected is solving is that lawyers cannot access their clients or their information with ease. And this inhibits their ability to best advocate for the youth and their families and the services that they need. Additionally, there are also issues with outdated software information systems and little to no oversight and poor quality data. All of these affect and lead to the broken system. Why this is so important is that at any given time, there's over 400,000 youth that are in the foster care system. Each year, about 23,000 of those youth leave or age out of the foster care system when they turn 18. Their lives are impacted by the system, and they're caught in a cycle of poverty, incarceration, homelessness, and human trafficking at higher and alarming rates than the national averages. One young lady who just recently lost her life from not being connected or where the system failed her is Micaiah Bryant. Micaiah Bryant was a young lady in Ohio who, when the police came, assumed she was the aggressor and took her life. Although there's many allegations and information surrounding the situation, the facts of the matter that we do know is that Micaiah was failed by the system. What we do know is that Micaiah had only been in that foster home a couple months, but yet for the last decade, there were over 17 police reports made out to that foster home. What we do know is that there were other individuals there who were in an altercation with that were adults. And what we do know is that her younger sister called and asked the police and asked to be removed from the home frantically, yet the system left them there. It hurts my heart to know that a young lady, her life is now gone, 15-year-old teenager. I wonder if she was connected and able to quickly communicate with her social worker or her lawyer and say, hey, I need help, or I need these services, I need to be removed. Would something have changed? Would they have been able to access the information in real time to save her life? So the solution that we've created is Konnected. Konnected is a software as a service web-based platform that helps youth, families, and child welfare organizations centrally connect, collaborate, and communicate to make real-time, data-informed decisions that saves time, money, and lives. How does it work? Well, it's simple. We first sign in or log up. Both the youth and the organization servicing youth and families can log in, and then they can select the task or need that they are looking for, and then it's given to them. They can readily access it in real time. Our revenue model is that we are providing subscriptions to law firms and youth servicing organizations, and then licensing subscriptions or licensing to government agencies like Department of Health and Human Services. There's tremendous demand within this market. There's over $9 billion annually spent within the child welfare system, and a lot of money that's spent within case management software systems like Konnected. In Michigan, $321 million was spent on a software system that is now being trashed and debunked because it missed the gaps and did not connect everyone. So what we're posing is if we can get just about 3.5% of the market within the Wayne, Oakland, and Macomb County of Michigan, we can garner about $10 million in revenue. Here's our competition. I know no one really likes to hear this, but there really is no direct competitors within this space just yet. There are certain systems that have similar capacities, but not every feature that we do. So when you look at our competitors' analysis slide, you'll see that there's no one else that provides an accessible one portal for everyone else to log in and access information. Our competitive advantage is that, again, we're the first to market to create this centralized portal where all the data and information is accessible in one space for all, I said it right, for all youth servicing organizations. We have a dynamic client portal. Our team has a robust years of experience and intimate knowledge within this space that other teams do not have. And our unique design and brand allows us to have market penetration in a way that no one else can have just yet. And then we have a little bit of a secret sauce. So when people ask us who's connected, like, think of it this way. If Google and Salesforce had a baby, Konnected would be that love child. Our market strategy is to go for the low-hanging fruit in the areas that's most needed first. Subscriptions to law firms and youth servicing organizations, and then parlaying that into doing licensing with State Department of Health and Human Services throughout the nation, and then going federally to contract. The traction and milestones that we've made thus far is we've gone from ideation to creating a minimal viable product and getting beta testers. Right now, we have the Michigan Children's Law Center, an attorney, another law firm, and the University of Michigan's Child Welfare Law Clinic all signed up to be our beta testers. They are some of the biggest and greatest leaders within Michigan within the child welfare system. So how am I uniquely positioned to help lead this front? I have over 10 years of experience within the child welfare system as a subject matter expert. I'm certified as a trainer and evaluator for program quality of youth and youth servicing organizations. And I have a degree from the University of Michigan, studying sociology with a focus on law, social justice, and change. But what makes me even more keenly aware of the issues and able to provide a comprehensive solution is that I was a former foster youth right here from the state of Michigan. I've been able to use my educational and lived experience, both formal and informal education, to parlay creating other programs and initiatives that are solving the problems and helping youth succeed. One of the biggest programs that I've helped with creating was spearheading a comprehensive scholarship program for foster youth at the University of Michigan. And now with an investor, it's grown tremendously and has a 90% graduation rate and has served almost 100 youth thus far. Also, I'm currently the chair of the Third Circuit Court of Michigan's Youth Engagement and Systems Improvement Committee within the Family Juvenile Justice Division. I was able to use my experiences in education to be the founding chair and initiator of this new enterprise, where we're working with the court administrators, judges, lawyers, and other key stakeholders to make sure that youth and families' outcomes change for the good. So what is our ask? Right now, we're seeking advisors so that we can help take Konnected to the next level and really connect all youth, family, and organizations so they can thrive. Thank you.